Hello everyone, so this is me, Leia. Gagawa tayo ng a day in my life for today's video, guys. Let's go! So, kakagising ko nga lang pala dyan, guys, and nagligpit lang ako ng aking mga kalat-kalat para hindi naman tayo magmukhang dugyot, guys. And syempre, pa-cute sa mirror. And syempre, ano pa bang dapat gawin pagkagising, guys? Eh di mag-toothbrush para hindi tayo bad breath. Fresh tayo all the day. Guys, ugaling mag-toothbrush, guys, para hindi naman tayo, guys, mahiya, guys, magtuking-tuking to someone. Char. And paglabas ko, nakita ko si Ninja. And dito nga pala, guys, is kinuha ko lang yung cover ng long table kasi lalabahan ko, guys, kasi maglalaba tayo for today's video. So I need to laba na talaga, guys, kasi marumi na talaga. Here, introducing my cutie puppy. And then dito nilaban ko nga pala yung aming damit kasi we don't have a clothes na to wear, you know. Oh my god. And then, pagkatapos ko nga pala malagay sa washing yung mga damit, yes, kumuha lang ako ng egg para lutuin for breakfast. That's our breakfast for today. So here, we gonna start to cook na the egg. Oh my god. So, we need to put some oil and then the egg and the salt. You know, that's a simple cooking for today video. And hintayin lang natin na maluto yung egg natin. Ay nako, you know, guys, only egg I know how to cook. Charisim. Pagkatapos ko nagluto, guys, is nag-slice lang ako ng dragon fruit para fruits in the morning. Yun lang. So, syempre, maligo na ta diri dapita. Dili gyud mahimo imong a day in my life og wala kay ligo. Here nga pala, guys, is it's 4 PM na in the afternoon. So, it's time to walking the dog na. Here, guys, ipakita ko lang sa inyo ang haunted house dito sa Maria Luisa. Charis. Okay, so let's go. Dito, guys, dito kami nagwo-walking every day, every afternoon. And then, dito, minsan lang po kami dito makapunta kasi ang layo na nito, guys, sa amin, guys. 20 minutes na talaga, guys, kung lakarin mo. Yes, malayo na ito sa amin. Kasi dito sa subdivision namin, guys, is grabe, guys, ang lawak ng subdivision na ito. Ang gaganda talaga. It's more trees. It's like na, guys, mountain, but the houses here, guys, so very nice, guys. So nice talaga. Ma-amaze ka talaga, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang laki, parang mansion na. Dito lang yan sa Maria Luisa, guys. So, we're home na pala. Yun lang for today's video.